About this item: Kastar replacement battery for Panasonic HHR-P104 HHR-P104A Type 29 battery type, rechargeable NiMite battery, voltage 3.6 V, battery capacity 1000 mAh. Package includes 3 batteries compatible with Again and Again, STB941, STB941 battery, BIS, B779 Dantona, BAT104, BAT104 Empire, CPH496, CPH496 Energizer, ERP104, ERP104GE, TL96411, TL26411, TL86411, TL96411, TL26411, TL86411 GP, GP85AL 3BXZ high capacity, B779 interstate batteries, ATEL0006, TEL0006 Lenmar, CB0-104, CB0104 NABC, 7210960000, STB104, STB941 Panasonic, 23,968 439,024 439,025 439,026